Hey there, fellow traveler. If you've ever dreamed of traveling in luxury without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing some insider tips on how you can experience five-star travel on a budget. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about flights. You don't need to pay full price to fly in style. One of my favorite hacks is using points and miles. If you have a credit card that earns travel rewards, start racking up those points now. Many airlines also have loyalty programs that can get you free upgrades and discounts. Another trick? Use Google Flights or Skyscanner to set alerts for cheap business class tickets. Sometimes, airlines offer flash sales. And if you're quick, you can grab a premium seat for a fraction of the price. Also, consider alternative airports. Sometimes flying into a nearby city and taking a train or a budget airline can save you a ton of money while still giving you a comfortable experience. Now let's move on to hotels. Everyone loves a five-star hotel, but the price? Not so much. The good news is, there are ways to get luxury stays without breaking the bank. Websites like Hotwire and Priceline offer secret deals where you can book top-rated hotels at discounted prices. You won't see the hotel name until after you book, but if you do some research, you can usually figure it out. Also, consider booking directly with the hotel. Sometimes, they'll match or even beat online prices and throw in extras like free breakfast or room upgrades. Don't forget to check out travel hacking forums where travelers share discount codes and loyalty perks that can get you free nights or additional discounts. Another great option is boutique hotels or luxury Airbnb stays. Many boutique hotels offer the same level of service as big-name chains, but at a lower cost. And if you're booking an Airbnb, look for superhosts with great reviews. Some high-end apartments or villas can be even cheaper than a standard hotel room and come with private pools, kitchens, and amazing views. You can also look into luxury home rentals through platforms like Plum Guide or One Fine Stay, which offer high-end properties at competitive prices. Let's talk about transportation. Want to ride in luxury without spending a fortune? Skip the expensive taxis and use rideshare apps like Uber or Lyft. In many places, you can also hire a private driver for the day at a surprisingly low cost. Another insider trick? If you're renting a car, check for discounts through memberships like AAA or Costco. And if you're traveling in Europe, first-class train tickets can be very affordable if you book in advance. Consider using rail passes like Eurail or Japan Rail Pass to save money while still enjoying first-class seating. Now, on to dining. Eating at fancy restaurants doesn't have to drain your wallet. Many high-end restaurants offer lunch specials that are way cheaper than dinner. You still get the gourmet experience, just at a lower price. Also, check if the restaurant has a happy hour menu. Many luxury spots offer small plates and drinks at discounted rates. And don't forget to explore local markets and bakeries. Sometimes, the best meals are found at small, family-run spots rather than expensive tourist restaurants. If you want to splurge on a fine dining experience, consider signing up for restaurant newsletters to get exclusive discounts or early bird deals. Activities and experiences. This is where you can really save big while still enjoying luxury. Instead of paying full price for tours, look for deals on websites like Viator, Get Your Guide, or even Groupon. Some cities offer tourist passes that include multiple attractions at a lower cost. And if you love spa treatments, many luxury hotels offer day passes where you can use their pools, saunas, and lounges for a fraction of the price of a night stay. You can also book treatments at beauty schools or wellness retreats that offer the same high-end experience for less. Packing smart can also save you money. If you're flying with a budget airline, they might charge extra for luggage, so travel light. Also, bring essentials like a reusable water bottle, travel-sized toiletries, and a power bank. This way, You won't have to spend money on overpriced airport or hotel items. If you love luxury brands, consider shopping at duty-free stores in airports or visiting outlet malls in your destination to score high-end products at lower prices. Another pro tip: travel during the off-season. Peak tourist times mean higher prices. But if you visit a destination during its shoulder season, you'll find lower rates on flights, hotels, and activities. Plus, fewer crowds mean a more relaxing experience. Some destinations, like the Caribbean or Europe, offer fantastic luxury deals in the late fall or early spring. Be flexible with your dates, and you'll be surprised at the discounts you can find. Let's talk about VIP experiences. Many luxury perks, like lounge access, priority boarding, and airport transfers, can be enjoyed without actually paying for first-class tickets. Look into Priority Pass memberships for airport lounge access. Some credit cards also include travel perks like free check bags, complimentary upgrades, and travel insurance. Cruises can also be a surprisingly affordable way to experience luxury. If you book last-minute deals or repositioning cruises, you can enjoy all-inclusive luxury at a fraction of the cost. Many high-end cruise lines offer discounts for repeat customers, so sign up for loyalty programs to take advantage of future deals. Another tip: look into volunteer travel programs or house-sitting opportunities. Websites like Trusted House Sitters allow you to stay in luxury homes for free in exchange for pet sitting. Some luxury resorts offer discounted stays if you participate in ecotourism activities or help with community projects. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Luxury travel isn't just about five-star hotels or first-class flights. It's about feeling pampered, relaxed, and enjoying new experiences. Sometimes, it's as simple as booking a room with a great view, treating yourself to a spa day, or enjoying a fancy meal. The key is to spend smart, know where to find deals, and make every trip special without overspending. Creating unforgettable travel experiences is about the little things, whether it's a private sunset cruise, an elegant rooftop dinner, or a unique cultural experience. All right, that's it for today. I hope these tips help you plan your next luxury trip on a budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite travel hack. Happy travels, and I'll see you in the next one.